closer and I can do you when you're underwater. It's okay, you don't have to do your hair before you get in.
Yeah, it will be messed up by the time you get back up.
Yeah. You diving or are you just jumping? Jump like a silly salmon. Do silly salmon. Oh, brilliant.
Come on, mate. I'll have a swim, sure. It's only one, it's on one leg. I'll look after you as we go.
Yeah, just hold on to Tim's shoulder.
No, I'm right.
And he'll fight off the jellyfish.
Right, well, if you change your mind, I'll go and get the...
No, it's fine.
Go and have a blow.
I'll be able to swim now.
What?
It's fine, you can just go.
If you change your mind, then Carol will come in with you.
Fine.
Are you going again or do you want me to?
No, it's alright, you can go.
Yeah, do a cannonball. I like your cannonball. Well, they're not even swimming, they get taken by the tide. And the tide's going that way. I don't know where it is. I'll film it. We'll film these dreadful jellyfish. Oh, I've broken it. I'm so sorry. Look, that's what you're terrified of, okay? Get a grip, Ted. Okay, dive like a pencil. Dive like a pencil. Brilliant. Come on, Ted, just come and dive in and dive out again. He's hardly in the water. You'll love it when you get in, Ted. You know what you like. And it's not cold. Yeah, oh God, yeah. But that was your first attempt and then you kind of learnt from it, so we don't think about it anymore.
I always learn when I'm on holiday, and then I always forget.
Well, if you want to sit down and dive to start with, because then you just put your hands down like across your knees and you plop in, and then it sort of brings you back into how I do it, do you know what I mean?
I'll get the little jellyfish.
I can't even see it. Oh yeah. Oh, hold it. Hold it. It's going that way. That's a very famous marine photographer. I've got pork pie, sandwiches, we've got crisps, I've got a cup of soup, I've got hot chocolate, I've got everything. It's alright, nobody cares about jellyfish. Yeah, but not round in these waters. No, but they're just sometimes like a sharper sting, but they're not round here. Well, they're more like in deep waters, aren't they?
Come on, you'll feel really proud of yourself. You will. You're really proud of yourself.
Well, don't worry, I've just weed on it. Come on.
Oh, that one.
Is it huge, Tim?
No, it's tiny.
It's tiny! Come on, Jacob! You're on film! What have you got to say to the camera? Make a speech, Jacob!
I just touched one, it didn't kill me.
Come on! Great! 2, 1, wow! You are so cool! He's well cool, isn't he? You feel okay? You're going to come and dive in, Ted?
I just touched the jellyfish.
You just picked one up! Jellyfish with seaweed on it. Jacob? Did I miss your dive? Come on then. Let me get a bit closer. And then I'll get you when you come up. That was lovely. Fantastic. I know you've said, Ted, and I'm not getting the dinghy out, so just get yourself a pair of balls and be brave. Come on. You can have a fender. You can have a buoy to go across. It's brilliant. It's all on film. We're doing another one, and then I can get you underwater swimming at me.
Yeah.
Go on then. And swim towards me when you've gone under. Yeah, that's a good idea. Fasten the shorts. We wanted to be suitable for children, this YouTube video. Yeah. Take that with you and swim underwater with it.
Oh, this one.
That's it.